Take a look at a typical suburban neighborhood. One local business illuminates brightly on the map, capturing daily inbound calls while the surrounding competitors fade into deep shadows. To secure that visibility, you need 4 prerequisites: a Google account, your exact legal business information, a smartphone, and a curated folder of authentic work photos. We will use those raw materials to rebuild your profile from a dormant listing into a top-ranked asset in the Google Local Pack. Optimizing this single digital asset shifts the burden of discovery away from your marketing team and onto the platform itself. Step 1 is the initial setup at business.google.com. You must enter your exact legal business name. The name you enter must be the official name of your business, without added promotional keywords. You must then define your structure. If you travel to your customers, you configure the profile as a service area business. If customers travel to your physical location, you register as a storefront. Then comes the strict 2026 video verification requirement. You have to capture your equipment, signage, and street context in one unbroken shot. Do not use virtual offices or P.O. boxes or keyword-stuffed names. These tactics will trigger an immediate algorithmic suspension. This verification process acts as a protective moat, shielding legitimate local operators from the volume of spam profiles on the map. A highly structured description allows the algorithm to index exactly what you do and where. Next, slot in granular data, specific services, operating hours, and appointment links. Completing these fields provides Google the data needed to match you with local queries. With the data locked, we move to visual branding. You need a specific hierarchy of images: a clear logo, authentic shots of your team, your branded trucks, and before and after project evidence. Google's own data shows that profiles with photos receive 42% more direction requests and 35% more clicks to their website than profiles without them. A complete profile loaded with authentic visual evidence shifts the buyer's mindset. When the profile looks active and complete, it signals that the business itself is reliable. To build authority, you need a systematic approach that sends a review request via text or email immediately after a job is finished. In 2026, the owner's response is a heavily weighted engagement signal. Google uses your activity on the profile to measure how actively the business is being managed. An optimized response uses 3 specific variables: the customer's first name, the service mentioned, and a geographic reference. If you receive a negative review, use a professional, emotionless framework to offer an offline resolution. This shows future readers that you have a consistent standard for customer service. A steady flow of recent reviews and responses signals to both the algorithm and the consumer that your business is active and reputable right now. To keep the profile active, utilize Google Posts. Publishing offers and what's new updates keeps your listing fresh for both users and search crawlers. This infographic displays 3 core local ranking pillars: relevance, distance, and prominence. Since distance is fixed by the user's location, prominence is the factor you actively influence. Prominence is built over time, requiring a consistent volume of reviews, regular posts, and accurate web citations. To build that prominence, adopt a weekly maintenance system. Upload 1 new photo, publish 1 post, request new reviews, and respond to all recent feedback. On a monthly basis, audit your profile health, update your specific service menus, and observe any changes in your local competitors' rankings. Avoid maintenance failures that damage your authority. Creating duplicate listings or allowing your name, address, and phone data to become inconsistent across the web will hurt your ranking. Local visibility is not achieved by a one-time setup. It is earned through the consistent execution of these weekly tasks. This checklist shows the 8 critical milestones we have achieved. Ultimately, the Google local search algorithms will continually reward those specific businesses that provide consistent and actively updated information. This is the framework we use at the Long Hair Plug to establish local authority. You now have the infrastructure required to compete for local search visibility. Use the templates provided below to begin your weekly maintenance.